Looking Lela, good morning. Mama sent you something. You want to know what it was? I bet you want to know what it was. She sent you a BarkBox. What is in there? What is in there? No, Lucas, not your zebra. Look, what's this? What is that? Lela, what do you think it is? You don't care? It's okay. Lucas, what do you think's in here? Huh? What do you think's in here? What do you think is in here? You don't know? What do you think it is? What do you think it is? Do you think it's... Oh yeah? Lela, what do you think it is? Is you excited? Is you excited? You want to see? Come here. Come here. Let's see what's going on. Lucas, come here. Come here, buddy. Lucas, what's this? Lucas. What is this? What is this? No, look. What? What is that? What is that, Lucas? Get it, Lucas. Get it, Lucas. Get it, buddy. What is that? What is that? Get it. Is that a pretzel? Oh my gosh, it's a pretzel. It's Lucas's pretzel. Get it, Lucas. Get it. You can have it. You can have it. Ooh, good boy. Ooh, he's a good boy. Get it. Get it, Lucas. Come on. You want some help? What is that? What is that? Ooh, whose pretzel is that? Is that your pretzel? Is that your pretzel? Yeah, put it back in the box. Go get it. Come on. Get that pretzel. Get it. Get it. Get that pretzel. Good boy. Good boy. He loves his pretzels. Yeah. It looks like I had to cut a little something off of there so his dew claw doesn't get stuck there again. Lela, there's something in here for you too. What's this? What's this? What's that? Lela. Lela. Let's look what this is. Lela, what's this? What's that? It's from Poxford. Oh, did it squeak? What was that? Oh, Lucas is going to steal your toy. Lucas, that's your old zebra. Lucas. Get it. Lela, what's this? Do you want to play football? You can. You guys got a Slim Jim. Hey, nobody cares about the BarkBox anymore. They just want to play with the toys. What is this? What are these? Jerky burgers. You want some treats? You want some treats? Yes? You like dark BarkBox for this, don't you? Be nice. Scared to give you these. Shake. Good boy. I didn't say lay on me. Crazy. What are you doing, Lela? Want this? Good girls. Good girls. Lucas, you didn't eat it? What's that? Eat it. You're gonna eat it. You're gonna eat it. Good boy. You gonna spit it out behind me? And what is this? Lucas, look. It's a Muddy Buddy dog mop. Oh, it's cool. It's got little spots for your hands, so when you want to rub them down, you can. I'm sorry to interrupt you, buddy. Eat your treat, girlfriends.